What the heck is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Big Z here from Bengali, and in this tutorial I'm going to go over some advanced Bengali as I've mentioned in my previous video. This is a scenario where you're visiting your grandparents, your cousins, your uncles, aunts, and they're just putting food onto your plate. You know, they're just giving you extra food and you can't finish them. I mean, you realize that you cannot finish all this food that they're giving you. So what's going to be your response? How are you going to respond to them in Bengali? That's what I'm going to go over in this tutorial. Okay, so let's get started without further ado. All right, so here we are. This is what I was given to translate basically, and I did some modification to it. So I've deleted this part down here and shortened it a little. So let's go over this over here. Thank you, but I really cannot eat anymore. I've eaten so much more than I usually would. My stomach is full. Please don't give me more food. That's what I've modified this part over here, and whatever I was given, I've deleted this part and just added these two sentences here, and that's that. So let's go over the first sentence again. Thank you, but I really cannot eat anymore. Okay, so you guys, excuse me, you guys know what thank you is, right? So it's dhonnobad. So that's what I written here, dhonnobad in Bengali. Dhonnobad. But what is I eat, right? I eat is ami khai. Ami khai. Excuse me. Okay. So there will be a little bit of conjugation that will happen regarding kai and stuff. It will become kete in here. I'll go over that a little later. But that's that I eat regularly. It's ami kai, right? And what is I cannot? So here we have I cannot. It goes like this. Ami parbona, right? Ami parbona. Parbona. So you got parbona. Don't say parbona or something. No, it's parbona. Parbona. Poyakar right here. Ami parbona right there. So let's translate this right now. Thank you, but I really cannot eat anymore. Okay. ধন্যবাদ কিন্তু আমি আসলেই আর খেতে পারবো না. Right there. ধন্যবাদ কিন্তু আমি আসলেই আর খেতে পারবো না. And I've written that in English too. ধন্যবাদ কিন্তু আমি আসলেই আর খেতে পারবো না. So it's not খেতে, it's খেতে. খেতে. This is the to here. খেতে পারবো না, right? So আমি খাই got conjugated and it has become খেতে পারবো না. So this is advanced Bengali, like I said. I'm definitely going to break it down later in my other tutorials, but it is what it is right now, right? So that's that. And what's okay? Let me go over that once again. ধন্যবাদ কিন্তু আমি আসলেই আর খেতে পারবো না, right? And that's the dari. So that's the equivalent of period in English. Okay, so what's next? I've eaten so much more than I usually would. So I've eaten so much more than I usually would. And here, once again, this is like a conjugation. There will be conjugation happening here. But let's go over usually first. So what's usually? Usually is sadharonoto or shochorachor. I'm giving you both of these words. Sadharonoto, or shochorachor. Shochorachor. Okay, looks like I've written this properly in English. Yeah. So sadharonoto or shochorachor. That's usually, right? So I've eaten so much more than I usually would can be translated as this. আমি সাধারণত যা খাই তার চেয়ে অনেক বেশি খেয়ে ফেলেছি. So more is beshi here. I should have put that in over here. But like I said, bear with me. I'm probably going to break it down further in my next couple tutorials where I'll be going over simple stuff. So আমি সাধারণত যা খাই তার চেয়ে অনেক বেশি খেয়ে ফেলেছি. So that's that part here. I've eaten so much more than I usually would. Right? Hopefully this makes sense. So once again, আমি সাধারণত যা খাই তার চেয়ে অনেক বেশি খেয়ে ফেলেছি. All right. So what's next? My stomach is full. My stomach is full. So in this part I'm going to use a negation. I'm not going to say my stomach is full. I'm going to say there's no space in my stomach. But in Bengali those two are exact same thing. Okay. So my stomach is full. Stomach is, remember, it's pet. And like I said, I'm definitely going to go over that in the next video, next couple of tutorials, for those of you who are wondering what the heck is going on in this video. Okay, so my stomach is full can be translated as Amar pete ar jaiga nei, and I'm using negation here. You know, that's like the proper way to say it over there. Whenever you're in that kind of scenario, people giving you food, they're loading up your plate, and you're gonna say, okay, আমার পেটে আর জায়গা নেই. My stomach is full. Same thing. Or you can say আমার পেট ভর্তি, ভর্তি, ভর্তি. So that's exact translation. I'm just gonna write that down. You know what? I'll write it down here. My stomach is full. আমার আমার পেট ভর্তি. Okay? আমার পেট ভর্তি. Or you can say আমার পেটে আর জায়গা নেই. Exact same thing. You know, it's just a little bit of difference. It says, oh, there's no space in my stomach. Yeah, that means your stomach is full. So that's that. আমার পেটে আর জায়গা নেই. My stomach is full. Or আমার পেট ভর্তি. 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 And what else? Please don't give me more food. That's right. Okay. Please don't give me more food. Okay, this is how it goes. আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিয়েন না. Or দিও না. So this is informal. This is formal and this is informal way of saying it. Please don't give me any food. So formal way is going to be আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিয়েন না. And if you're talking with like your cousin or someone who's your age or younger, you can say আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিও না. দিও না, okay? So here's the English version here. আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিয়েন না or দিও না. দিও না. This should be good. দিও না, right? Yeah. You guys get the hang of it, right? So let's go over that one more time. Please don't give me more food. আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিও না. That's informal. If you want to be formal, just change the দিও না to দিয়েন না. So আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিয়েন না. Makes sense, right? I hope it makes sense. Let's go over this thing from top to bottom. Okay. ধন্যবাদ, কিন্তু আমি আসলেই আর খেতে পারবো না. আমি সাধারণত যা খাই তার চেয়ে অনেক বেশি খেয়ে ফেলেছি. আমার পেটে আর জায়গা নেই. আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিয়েন না. Right? If you're trying to be informal, just change this part over here. At the end, say আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিও না. Right? So I've written that down in English as well. Right? Let me just double check that. ধন্যবাদ, কিন্তু আমি আসলেই আর খেতে পারবো না. আমি সাধারণত যা খাই তার চেয়ে অনেক বেশি খেয়ে ফেলেছি. আমার পেটে আর জায়গা নেই. আমাকে দয়া করে আর খাবার দিয়েন না. Oh, I got it. Right? So yeah, I hope this makes sense. Any question, comment, let me know. And I'm going to make further tutorials to break this part down here, right? Like I eat, you eat, he eats, she eats, and everything. I'm definitely going to break that down. But for now, it is what it is, okay? Thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big C out.